Okay, so going to our second floor. Right? So in our project browser, we're just going to navigate to 03 underscore second floor. There we go. And now we have just our plain old grids and so on. But to make our life a little bit easier, we can turn on something called the underlay, which allows us to see a level below or above the current level that we are on. To do that, we go to our properties and we're going to scroll down until we see underlay in this gray area, and where it says range base level. From none, we're going to change it to first floor. And then we just drag our mouse into the drawing space, and there we go. We can see the walls that we would have just drawn on the first floor. So if I should go back to my first floor here and just click on any wall and then go back to the second floor, that wall is, you can see that wall that was selected there. So I can use underlay to kind of trace out, what the outside or exterior walls are supposed to be. Right? So we go back to wall, go to architecture and select wall, same new 150mm wall. Our base constraint is going to remain at second floor, because now we're going from the second floor all the way up to the wall height, which is the highest point of the wall. And my location line, I'm going to set it to wall center line again, and just begin to draw. So I'm going straight across with this one, because if you look at the drawing in the description, you'll notice that this part doesn't go up to the second floor. I'm going to come down, across, up, okay. Now our grids that we would have drawn at the start don't really correspond entirely with what we had for our first floor, so we'll have to draw those walls independent of the grid. Okay, so now we're going to change our location line from wall center line to core face exterior again, and we're going to begin by putting in things like our master bedroom at the front here and so on. So our master bedroom's dimension is 4,800 millimeters. It's 4,800. So I'm just going to draw in a wall here. That's approximately 4,800. I'm just going to adjust it. I placing that dimension here. $4,800 exactly. Now I'm going to show you a tool that I use very often to trim or extend my lines, walls, and so on in Revit. So I will go to the modify tab up here, and beside the rotate icon we have trim/extend to corner. So I click that, and then I'm just going to click the two walls, and they automatically connect to each other. Now instead of going through it one by one, I'm just going to draw in all my walls basically, and then adjust them using dimensions. I have one comes across here and down. I'm going to turn off my underlay because I don't need it anymore. So I go back to our properties, range base level, First, we'll turn that to none. Okay. Drag this wall up a bit. Again, I'm going to adjust them afterwards. Okay. Have a little wall here. It goes across for our closet. Closet somewhere here. And before I go into the 45-degree, let me just drag down this wall. Angle here shows when you are drawing a wall. So if you look, it's going across up to 130. It snaps to 135 degrees, or there we have the 45. Right? Again, I'm going to adjust my measurements finally. So let's go. Starting with the bedrooms. Just capturing the wall thickness as I go across, and then you can just click outside. So this bedroom here is supposed to be 3,300. I say 3,300, right? And the size of it right? So this side is supposed to be 4,500, and then here, take the wall you want to move, 700. Sorry, 750. There we go. 750. Okay. Then for this side now, I need let's go from the top down. I'm pressing tab again to cycle through, the selection. It's already 4,800, but I'm going to put the dimension there nonetheless. Out there. Again, we're going to have these dimensions on our drawing, at the end, so it makes sense to just keep them there. So this bedroom here is 3,750. 3,750. Size of this bathroom is 2,100. 2,100. Oh, see, I had the same wall selected, so it's moving up back to where it's not supposed to be. So let me do it again. 3,750. Then I select this wall, and this is 2,100. Then right, it automatically adjusts to the 3,000 millimeters there. Alright, so now let's adjust the width of this section here. So inside here. Bathroom area is 1,650. Closet is 1250. There we go. Because it is 1250. I'm going to delete this wall here, and I'm just going to do a little trim or extend the corner thing here. Right, let's see what our dimension is. Should be wide enough to put a door. That's 850, right? Very good. 850. And then right here, angle. Let me adjust the angle. Alright, so the closet here, closet for this room, the width of it is supposed to be 2,450 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. 2,450. Let me adjust the size here to 2,450. There we go. And then we can draw up our 45-degree wall. Let's change it to wall center line and just an angle 45 degrees, and there we go. Alright, and let's add in the closet here for the second bedroom. That is 1800 by 600 millimeters interior measurements. So see, I have the dimensions showing up, 1800. So again, let me change my location line to core face exterior. 1800, 600, and go up. Alright, so we have the section here for our master bedroom, going where the door is supposed to be, and then also we have where the washing closet door is supposed to be. So we have to extend this corner up a little bit to make provision for that pocket door that's supposed to be here. So it lands right on the middle of grid number 4. So I'm just going to drag this, click on this wall and drag it up to grid number 4, and then this wall, and I'm going to trim the corner. So select the wall, then we select the side that we want to keep, like this, and then we're going to draw another wall, set our location line to wall center line, and then just go across here. And that's the final second floor.